Assalamu alaikum. Now let's do the exercise regarding the angles that you learned. So this is the worksheet from the workbook, Knowing Angles. Mark all the angles inside each figure, then write down its number of sides. Write down the number of sides and angles for each figure. Now for this one, we know that there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3 angles. So number of sides are 3, number of angles also 3. Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. Now you can proceed with number C and D. Okay, I'll go to number 2 now. You can finish the remaining parts from that page. Mark all the angles in each of these objects, then write down the number of angles for each object. Mark all the angles. You can mark the angles like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? 4, right? This one be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. You can do the remaining C and D again. But see, I have helped you there also. See, you see only 4 angles. Now look at this one. Now this is knowing right angles. Knowing right angles. Okay. Mark all the right angles. This one for sure it's not a right angle, because right angles should be able to put that square in right. Now here this is also not a right angle. This is also not a right angle. That square cannot be put in here. That square, small square to indicate the right angle, cannot be put in here. But here can. So this is one right angle. Here also can. Exactly. Should be put exactly. So this line hits this line perpendicularly, just straight. This line hit this line perpendicularly, so that square just come over the line. Same surface. Okay, that means the surface of that square should lie along these lines exactly. So how many right angles we have? 2, right? Now mark the right angles inside each figure, then fill in the boxes. So this square, we can see that this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a... How many right angles we have? 4. Okay. Now you can finish the remaining. And number 3 I will do. Mark all the right angles. Now for this one, uncompleted rectangle or maybe something. So this is right angle, this is right angle. How many? There are 2 right angles, isn't it? Now for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 right angles. I hope it's clear, isn't it? So complete the worksheet. Okay, so that's all.